Bottom of the deck, I see the Four of Swords reversed. So that's letting me know that somebody's coming out of being worried. Somebody's coming out of being frustrated about something. But no, they're not. They're frustrated. Okay, this how it's going to be. Maybe somebody's feeling stuck in a situation. Clarify the Eight of Swords, please. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, somebody's worried that you're not going to accept their offer. Tell me more. Somebody could be worried about their finances. Maybe they're feeling like financially they're not where they would like to be. And they want to get that under control before they come back towards you, because somebody could have taken a financial loss. So maybe they're trying to basically get back on their feet. For others of you, this could be someone who wants to give you an offer, but because they know that they hurt you, they're hoping that you're just in a position to where you can forgive them. See, I'm seeing it both ways. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Somebody is worried about their financial stability. And they're having a hard time. Tell me more. But they made a decision. Okay, this person wants to come towards you, but see, they can't sleep. They're worried because of what they put you in, or what they put you through in the past. Tell me more. Yeah, see, they were being sneaky. Whoever you were dealing with was definitely being sneaky, and that's why they're in their head, and they're worried that you're not going to accept this offer. That's why they're having a hard time. And see, Spirit is saying they're not using their intuition at all. Tell me more. Yeah, because in their head, they're feeling like things are not going to improve. If they are worried about their money, maybe this is why they're holding back from coming towards you, because in their mind, they're like, I need to get my money together. I need to get my financial stability together before I come back and approach him or her. But Spirit is like, no, you just need to go ahead and do it. But they're not. They're holding back. So let's see. Tell me more. See, I'm telling you, Spirit is like, they need to let it go. They need to drop whatever this situation is, whatever they're thinking, whatever they're worried about. But see, they're not talking to you. This person is staying quiet. They're keeping quiet right now. They're undecided about what to do, and it jumped right on top of love yourself first. This person, I feel like they got some work to do. Because see, look, every time they, look at that. I didn't even see that underneath. Every time they want to say something to you, they don't. They want to have stability with you. They want to have a future with you. Tell me more. See, look, I'm telling you, they're making plans. They want to have this new opportunity with you, Virgo. They do. Okay. But it's just they're not taking a lead. Clarify the Fool reverse. They have to remove themselves out of a third-party situation. Okay. See, there it is. Alright, let's go. They know that they hurt you. And they feel like you're still disappointed in them. I don't like what just tried to jump out both times. Let's keep going. I ain't gonna tell you. Okay. You're like, what? So anyway, they did make a decision. I'm telling you, they're gonna come and speak their truth to you, but they want to let you know that they did remove themselves from whoever, was interfering, or whoever they were entertaining in the past. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify Justice reverse, please. What's going on? Clarify Justice reverse. But they're having a hard time. Why? Why is this person having a hard time? They were moving slow, and it's like they're frustrated. I feel like somebody is frustrated about their finances. Maybe they're trying to get out of some type of situation with this third party. And that's the issue. Could be a legal situation maybe, but for some of you guys it's not. It's like they just want to speak their truth. They don't want to take their time anymore. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but it's like they're losing hope. They feel like you don't want them, and it's like this person had a lot of options in the past. Now they're unsure how to approach you at this point. They know in their head, I only have one more chance with Virgo, and that's it, because I've been playing around. I've been playing games with them far too long. See? And that's why they want to come and give you this offer, but it's a small offer. Because they know that you don't trust them. They know that they have to start over and build something. And see, they don't have a peace of mind right now. Clarify? I feel like somebody is worried about their stability. I'm really picking that up. I don't know who this is, but somebody's worried about their finances. And They're feeling like maybe whoever they're with, maybe this person is trying to take from them financially to the point where when they're getting ready to come towards you, they don't know if they're going to be able to support you, because in their mind, if they can't even support themselves, how are they supposed to help you out? Being the man or the woman, whatever, to bring something to the table. So some of you guys could be dealing with an Aries. Tell me more. Yeah, see, this person, whoever you guys are or were dealing with, they were being very immature, very childish, and I feel like they're trying to get out of that energy. If they were arrogant towards you, if they had ego and pride issues, I feel like they're trying to drop all of that, in addition to removing themselves from this third-party situation. That's what they're working on right now. Okay, that was a lot. Let's see. Oh. Okay. They're trying to clean it up, right? Because they want to have a commitment with you. They want to have a marriage with you. They want to move things forward. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Taurus. I see a Cancer and a Pisces here. So I do feel like this person isn't making a move towards you just yet, because they're scared of what you're going to say. They're scared of the lies and the secrets that they had in the past. But I am also feeling like they will listen to their intuition. They will. So, I keep saying this person, y'all. This energy. Tell me more. Yeah, they're scared because of the lies, the secrets, the stuff that they did behind your back. A lot of you know, but maybe some of you don't. And this is why they're taking their time coming back towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but yeah, they cause an imbalance between the two of you. And this is why they're afraid that things are not going to work out in their favor. They can't turn things around. That's what they're saying to themselves, because they betrayed you. They did. See? It's like you were the one who put yourself out there, in the past. You were the one who went above and beyond, I feel like, in this situation or situationship or this relationship, or if you were married to this person, whatever your situation is, you were doing everything. They weren't doing anything at all, and that was the problem. They didn't bring balance. And see, here you guys are. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or another Virgo. Honestly, I'm picking up this is you. It's just like you guys are moving on. You guys are healing. You're just focusing on yourself. You're focusing on your own stability. Because you guys realize there's no balance with this person. So it's like, why keep holding on to hope? At this point, I have to focus on myself so I can move forward. There's somebody else out there for me. Even though you want to be with this person, but you had to move forward. And that's why this person is scared. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Sagittarius. Tell me more. See, you see what look, see? There's two women here. There's two women. And y'all know, I say it every time, y'all know how I feel about my court cards. I'm seeing two women, it could be two men. But there's definitely two people. There was a third party. And see, at the bottom of the deck, I see the Knight of Cups. This is why this person isn't confident within themselves, because they did have you in a third party situation. Well, this is a family member, or this is a love interest. And they know they owe you an apology. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person wants to come towards you to apologize, because the seeds that they did plant with you, they want them to grow. And they know they have to remove themselves from this third-party situation. But at the same time, they're afraid things may not improve because of what they did. Yeah. See, they're afraid to come back towards you guys right now, because they're feeling like you guys are going to be really harsh towards them. And it's like, they know that they deserve it, but they're freaking out. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But there was definitely some type of shakeup on their end. There was a tower moment that took place. And now it's like there's no balance. So if they were still dealing with someone or in some type of situation, the universe is forcing them to make a change, to get moving. It's like now they're not comfortable where they are. See? And they're realizing that they left you out in the cold. Tell me more. Didn't I tell y'all this person's energy? They're battling themselves. This person, they're so afraid they lost you for good, like, it's not even funny. This person, they put you through some stuff, Virgo. They really did. I'm over here shaking my head, like, oof. Alright, let's see how this is about to go. At this point, They're trying their best to remain positive. I told y'all, you're going to get an apology from them. It's just that they're just not confident within themselves because they're feeling like they're not going to have that happy home with you. Maybe if this person was like in a situation like with a love interest, they were living with this person, I feel like there was a shakeup on that end to the point where it's forcing them to look at the picture like you're not happy in the situation. Why are you still here? You need to make a move. Yep, because see, they want happiness. Clarify the sun. Why is the sun here? Yeah, they want happiness with you, but they're not content with their finances. Maybe for some of them, they do have a child or children. Let me see. Tell me more. That's why they're not putting in the work right now. But they know the truth. They know who they want to be with. Yeah, see, it's like they know they have to cut things off in order to start over to have a new beginning with you. But maybe this person was like hesitating to do so because there was a child involved. For some of you guys, if it's not like biologically their child, maybe they're attached to a child. You know, this is someone's child they were dealing with. If there's not a child involved, because I'm picking up a lot, if there's not a child involved in your scenario, it's just that this person, they want to come back towards you, but maybe they were being very immature and childish, and this is why they're afraid they're not going to be able to have a happy home with you. So somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but they are afraid you're going to cut them off for good. But they do want to start over, see? And remember I said they know that if this is pertaining to like that third party situation, they have to cut that off because see, they're walking away from it. They're going to walk away because they want to have that new start with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here. But see, right now, they're dragging their feet. This person is still going through lessons. They're still going through their lessons, guys. They feel like they're not going to have a victory with you. And see, they're sad. This person is emotional. They're sad because they feel like they lost you for good, but see, this was their lesson. Virgo, you could be dealing with another Virgo, but I'm telling you, this was their lesson. They had to go through this to make some changes. Now they're sitting back reflecting, thinking about everything. And I'm telling you, they're going to get out of this third party. They are. But they know that they hurt you. And they're trying to have the strength to come towards you, but in the meantime, they are keeping an eye on you right now. They don't want to move slow with you anymore. They don't. Tell me more. Look at that. Look at that. They're coming back to give you the offer, and the offer is the Ace of Cups. Oh, my God. Virgo, your person, whoever this is for, this is resonating for, I'm telling you, your person is coming back. They are. And they're going to come back and give you the secure offer that you deserve because they want to have a future with you. They do. Oh, they're coming back, guys. Look at that. They want things to improve. They want to have that new beginning with you. Oh, Virgo. Listen, they're coming. Whoever this is for. They're coming. But see, they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning. Tell me more.